All right, guys, I'll make this as simple as possible and short. Okay, for apps hosted on Google Play Store, your normal challenge is in the Google Play Store. Everybody is designing games. Everybody is designing almost similar things, and they now have to use Google Advert to now push their advert to get people to download the app. Now, for you to compete in that space, you have to have a very unique app. Okay, a very unique app. Now, that takes a lot of money to create such an app and a lot of experience. Okay, but I'm talking about something that is simple that you can design, but is targeted to a particular group. Okay, or community. All right. So in my case, I will use TBC as an example. Okay, TBC is my own focus group. Okay, so most times you see me promoting TBC, doing videos. My aim is to drive the success of TBC and also the continuous download of TBC without having to do any advertisement. Okay, now by doing that, I have a lot of people who use the services. Okay, I have two apps on TBC. One is an online store. One is caters to every website that has to do with TBC. Okay, now when people are now using, when members are using the app to do their normal thing that they do, instead of going to the browser to type in, and for security purposes and for them not to be scammed by phishing sites, they prefer to use my apps, okay, because they see me on a daily basis promoting promoting TBC and promoting my platform. So they know my name, they know who I am, and I have to make sure that my platforms are credible. Okay, so by them using it every day, they see things that are interested in, they click on ads, and they also see through my videos, okay, through my videos and also push notification. Through my videos on education about TBC, they get to see me using the app to do presentation, okay, giving them more confidence to download the app, and at the same time push notification to give them, despite how busy their life is, to always remind them to always take up on the app. Okay, now your key success with apps directed towards a group is push notification, okay, and marketing. Now, marketing is not to everybody. The marketing is to this group, to show them why they should download it. Now, for most of you guys who are in MLM, it's easier for you guys because, one, if you are a recruiting superstar, you will have your own team, okay? Okay? If you are a recruiting superstar, you will have your own team, all right? Now, if you try to go and build an app for your MLM, your app is going to be suspended. Trust me, I tried that for Helping Hands International. The app was suspended. Okay. So for you to create an app for your team, maybe it's an MLM or something that you are promoting on a daily basis that has to do with team and building and growing and with more people joining. Okay. You can make it a criteria that everybody in your team must download your app. Okay? Now, you make it a criteria that everybody in your team must download your app. And you have to make the app to contain their login access to the platform. Okay? Let's say you are Helping Hands International. Okay, so this is your H2I team. Okay, you should have login access to all the websites. Okay, so if there are two, I know that Helping Hands has a top up and the normal stuff. So you have a normal login access we have for the top up. Then most importantly, for you to help them to make sure that they feel they believe in this app and they are getting value, more value from this app, add educational content. Okay? Now, educational content is something that will always help them succeed. Okay? So they always click on it to see, okay, what's the latest blog post, how they can recruit people online, social media, what's the latest secret, what's the latest trick to use, all those things you can put it on this educational content. Okay? Yes, they will be logging in every day to check this and this, but this will make them stay like some minutes if you have like 2 minute video or 3 minutes video on this aspect where they can stay on the app and watch those videos for them to develop this thing. So that's why you need to have creative. You have to have educational content on your stuff. Okay, you have to have educational content on your app to help them grow. Okay, now that is for MLM. Okay, this is if you are MLM team. All right, if you're an MLM team. Now, if you're into crowdfunding, okay, crowdfunding for example. If you're into crowdfunding, then what you have to pay attention is the crowdfunding it's a recruiting process, okay? But most crowdfunding don't have an app on Google Play Store. They don't have app. So if you do your if you do your research very well on Google Play Store and find out that your own crowdfunding that you're part of does not have an app, like back then when Ultimate Circular was ready, Ultimate Circular didn't have an app. Okay, somebody had to go and create the app. We didn't realize the person was busy getting referrals because he put his own referral link as registration. So people were busy registering through his platform, not realizing they were making money for the guy that created the app. Okay, but I'm not saying you should do it that way. You can start to do it that way if you wish to. Okay, but doing it that way means you have to promote the app yourself. Okay, but when you don't put your own referral link and leave it open for every Tom, Dick, and Harry that is part of this crowdfunding organization, it means as people are joining, okay, you make it they have to download the app. The reason people have to download the reason people want to download the app is this. Because people are part of this on a daily basis, they are tired of going to the browser and typing ng.com. Or you understand? So what they want is just one button, it opens up. One button, it gets them where they want. They don't want to go through browser and the rest of them, okay? So, and also, if you put in push notification, okay? If you put in push notification, and if you find content, even if it's not your own content, but content that educates people on your crowdfunding, you find out that on how, like for example, about your content, you find out that if you always have this content filled up and people have access, okay, on the app to log in and also access the content, you are going to have a good app that is going to grow viral. But most importantly, you have to participate in actively driving whether it's MLM or crowdfunding. You have to be active. Okay, people have to see you because more people see you, the more increases the number of downloads you have on your app. One of my apps is doing an average of 100 downloads in a day. Okay, 100 downloads in a day, and it's been over 1 year. Okay, and the other ones are also as it's having downloads, it's also having people who are uninstalling. Okay, some maybe they are tired of the TBC or something like that. But the goal is I'm having more people coming in than the attrition rate. Okay, so that is why I love this concept. Instead of you going to just build a video game that does not add value to people that people want, every day they are taking it. Okay, it's better you build apps that are dedicated like this. Okay, towards a particular group, mostly targeted towards people who have desire to to make something or extra cash, and the platform you're in is something that will make it easy for them to have access to the information, have access to have access to educational content. Okay, then with push notification and you promoting not only the app, but most importantly promoting your company. Okay, let's say you're promoting H2I or uh, you're promoting your crowdfunding company. Okay, whether it's Happy Travel. Okay, you you can actually uh, promote it. Okay, actively promote it, whether it's through YouTube or through blog. Okay, because the honest truth is this: in as much as I promote TBC every day, I still get people who subscribes. I'm currently at 1,600 subscribers. Okay, which YouTube criteria for you to get monetized is that you have to have at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours view within a year. Okay, I'm currently exceeding all that, and I'm still getting income from that aspect. Though they pay out every $100 that I make, but God willing, this month I'll still have extra income coming from my YouTube channel. So you find out that you have to actively drive with this, because the ROI on investment on this, my dear, is the margin is low. Okay, your margin, your expense is low, but you have a massive growth in terms of, because it's not driven by you. Okay, you can wake up and sleep, wake up and you can sleep and wake up, and you find out. And most importantly, if you're involved in an international, sure, if you're involved in an international platform that is genuine, whether it's cryptocurrency, okay, and it has a large group of people, and those people are active, and you have, and they don't have an app, that's a hit for you. Okay, international makes sense. Why? Because while you're sleeping, some countries are waking up. So you must sleep and have about $5, and you wake up in the morning, you have about $10. Why? Where is the other $5 coming from? From those guys who wake up when you were sleeping. Okay, so that's why I said let me do this video for you guys to actually understand the concept. Okay, it's all about targeting. Okay, it's all about targeting a group of people. Okay, providing service around them, service that they cannot resist when you sell the app to them, so that when they are using the app, they are getting real value from the app, not just your own personal interest. Okay, your personal interest will be taken care of, but you have to serve them with the app. Give them notifications to make sure that they check. If you have content that you can drive them to go and watch, okay, to learn about so many things, or with the app, once they see value with the app, your app is not going anywhere. Okay, they're going to delete Facebook for your app. Trust me. Okay, I'm talking about everybody space. There's no space in our phones these days because downloading different app, beauty app, so many apps. But if they found a valuable app, especially when it's targeted to what they are into, and they see the person who is promoting it, and they are a part of your team, if they're a part of your team, or they see you as credible, they will always download your app. Okay, so guys, you're getting this in your private email for those of you who submitted your email, and if you're ready to take action, let me know. Okay, all right, bye for now. Hey, let nobody go and target TVC, or I will shoot person.